In the previous episode, we started our trip around rural Japan. We visited Daisen Mountain and boy, we stayed in a love hotel by mistake, I swear. You really wanna watch that video. In this video, we are going to continue our trip. We are going to try some amazing foods and we are also going to visit the longest bridge system in Japan. So let's go! We came down all the way from Daisen and now we are in Kurashiki Bikan Historical Quarter. It's like a traditional Japanese town and it's super beautiful. There are swans on the river. There are also these massive golden fish. So yeah, we are gonna take a look and have lunch because I'm hungry.
So good.
So good. This is a great place to walk around, do some shopping, enjoy different treats and submerging yourself in a really traditional Japan. Instagram behind the scenes, my friend. In the top of the historical quarter, there's a beautiful shrine and you can walk around completely quiet and almost no tourists, just as I love it. Really, really nice, and you can see a view 360. Oh, the beautiful time of the day for dessert. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Today we came to see the Shimanai Kaido bridges, which are like apparently pretty cool, and there's a viewpoint, so we are going all the way there. The fact is, Japanese have it clear, my friends. What a beautiful and, I don't know, it looks iconic bridge to me. Wow, really, really nice. And actually on the bottom of the bridge, there's a pedestrian path and also for bikes. So, you know, they have it clear, my friend. So we just came all the way to the 5th bridge, which is probably the longest of all.
That's what she said!
And there's a beautiful observation deck all the way up. And you have this beautiful 360 view. And oh my god, this bridge is humongous, really spectacular. So we went down all the way to the beach next to the bridge and the view is so beautiful. There's like a marketplace here for fish, so we are gonna have some fish bento. Oh yeah! Cool. Where are we?
We are in Onomichi area and we are going Senkoji Temple.
So this temple is known because it's in the top of the mountain. So there's a beautiful observatory with 360 views of the city.
We are in bakery called Nekonote Factory. I think this is the smallest bakery in the world.
This bakery is in a walking distance from the temple, probably indeed one of the smallest one. They will only allow one person at a time taking bread and buying. And while you wait, you can just get some headphones and enjoy the wait here. In the next episode, we will continue our adventures around Takehara, and we will go to a ryokan, or a traditional Japanese inn, for my first time, where I had one of the best meals of my life. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't, because you don't want to miss the next episodes.